Are you looking for a budget-friendly way to capture all your adventures without compromising on video quality? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best budget action cameras in 2025. Whether you're heading to the beach, hitting the slopes, or just vlogging your daily life, a solid action camera doesn't have to cost a fortune. So if you're ready to find your next go anywhere, shoot anything camera, you're in the right place. And if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. At number 5, we have the IceFox Action Camera, our pick for the best ultra-budget option. If you're looking for a no-frills action cam that still delivers solid footage, this one's got you covered. It records in crisp 4K at 60 frames per second and 2.7K when you want smoother playback. Plus, it shoots 20 megapixel stills. Whether you're mountain biking, snorkeling, or just filming family moments, it captures surprisingly good detail for the price. It's waterproof up to 98 feet, so it's ready for underwater fun. Just be sure to keep the included remote control dry. You also get two 1,350 mAh batteries, giving you up to 2 hours of recording time, which is great for quick adventures. What sets this apart is the included accessory bundle and app compatibility. With the Snap Pro app, you can edit footage, apply filters, add music, and even drop in subtitles for extra flair. If you're new to action cameras or just want an affordable backup cam, the IceFox delivers a lot of value without stretching your budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Apex Cam Action Camera, a great choice if vlogging is your focus. This camera gives you 4K recording at 60 frames per second and captures incredibly detailed 48 megapixel still images, all thanks to its 6-layer optical glass lens system. The video quality is vibrant and sharp, perfect for travel vlogs or adventure highlights. It features 8x digital zoom to bring the action closer, and the included 64GB microSD card means you won't need to worry about storage on your first few outings. Wi-Fi connectivity and a 2.4 gig remote control give you creative flexibility, though it's worth noting that this camera isn't waterproof out of the box, so keep it dry. The Apex Cam also includes a driving mode, ideal for dash cam style shots or documenting road trips. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, time-lapse, and burst photo options, this camera covers all your storytelling needs. If you're an aspiring vlogger or content creator looking for a budget-friendly camera that still packs serious features, the Apex Cam Action Camera is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the Osmo Brave 4, our top recommendation for budget-friendly underwater action footage. This camera shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second and captures 20 megapixel photos, making it great for everyday adventures and travel. The real highlight is its underwater performance. It's waterproof up to 131 feet when used with its case, which makes it ideal for scuba diving, swimming, or even pool fun. The Brave 4 gives you adjustable viewing angles from 170 degrees to 70 degrees, so you can fine-tune your field of view for wide landscapes or tighter vlogging shots. Built-in gyroscope stabilization smooths out your footage, even when you're in motion, and the dual-screen design lets you frame your shots with precision whether you're in front of or behind the lens. It also includes Wi-Fi and HDMI output, so you can quickly share your footage with friends or edit it for social media. If you're looking for a durable, travel-ready action cam that excels both above and below water, the Osmo Brave 4 is a fantastic all-rounder for adventurers who like to dive in deep. At number 2, we've got the DJI Osmo Action 4, hands down the best budget action camera for low-light conditions. This compact beast features a large 1.13-inch sensor that delivers sharp, colorful footage even in dim settings, like sunsets, concerts, or cozy indoor shoots. It supports 10-bit D-Log M color for a wider dynamic range, making your footage more vibrant and professional-looking. It's also built to handle extreme environments, with up to 150 minutes of battery life in cold temperatures. You get magnetic quick-release mounts for fast angle changes and efficient setup, which is ideal for creators who move quickly between shots. With 4K video at 120 frames per second and a super wide field of view, it's excellent for sports, action shots, or cinematic slow motion. The Osmo Action 4 also comes with 3 stabilization modes that keep footage silky smooth, even when you're snowboarding or skateboarding. Included in the box are the camera itself, a battery, and a quick-release adapter mount. If you film a lot at night, indoors, or in challenging conditions, this is the low-light performer you'll want on your next adventure. And finally, at number 1, we have the Osmo Brave 7 LE, our top overall pick for the best budget action camera in 2025. This camera is a powerhouse for its price, offering 4K video at 30 frames per second, 20 megapixel stills, and built-in electronic image stabilization for smooth, shake-free footage. One of its standout features is the IPX7 rated waterproof design, which means it can handle splashes and light rain without a case. Plus, it includes a waterproof housing for full underwater protection up to 131 feet. The dual-screen design is perfect for vloggers or anyone who wants to frame themselves on the go. You also get a 2-inch touchscreen for easy navigation, making it intuitive to use even for beginners. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, a waterproof remote, and a variety of mounting accessories, so you're ready for just about any activity right out of the box. If you're looking for one camera that balances durability, image quality, ease of use, and price, the Osmo Brave 7 LE is the one to beat. It's an ideal pick for travelers, outdoor lovers, or anyone upgrading from a basic action cam.